ERP software. Coming 5-minute section will show you how effectively you can use the homepage for your day-to-day activities. As always, you can select the Realsoft icon from the desktop by double-clicking on it. When you are double-clicking, you will reach to a form called Open an Existing Company, where you can open the companies you have created in the database. In this form you can see the companies you have created and financial years on the right side, when you click on it. If you are clicking New button, New Company Creation Wizard will come up and you can create new company there. In this session, we are going to open an existing company. To open it, click on Open button and then it will open the company. Now you need your username and password to open the company. As we discussed before, Realsoft ERP solution is completely secured with username and password. Each and every user in the company will be restricted and granted with various levels of user rights. Now I am going to log on with the username, admin, and so that I will get the administrator privileges in the system. Give admin here and press enter key to validate the username and password. When you are opening the application, you can see the home page where all the modules and shortcuts are defined. These shortcuts and links will be varying as per the user types. As you can see here, there are 5 sections in the home page. Navigator, My Shortcuts, My Dashboards, Today's Summary and Management Information System. In Navigator, we can see various modules and shortcuts. If you want to go to another module, you can click on Inventory to go to Inventory module, Sales to Sales module, Purchase, Fixed Assets, etc. Navigator. In the module again you can see 3 sections like Master in this row and Transaction on these middle row and Reports on the last rows. If you want to work with any of the listed icons, you can just double-click on it to open it. My Shortcuts. This is a personalized module where it shows only the document what this user can work in the company. This module is very helpful for the user to go back to the lost entry what he did in the software. Example, if I am clicking on this document, it will display the recent entries I did on right side and I can double click on it, open it for modification or print a copy. It will also show you how many entries altogether did in that document at the top. Same like transactions. I can see my privileged reports also in this section to open it quickly. My dashboard. This is an important module in the application where it will indicate all kinds of business critical information to the user. Dashboard is a place where users will get timely directions to do the jobs on time. Here besides the menu, you can see 82, which means there 82 dashboard messages are lying on the inbox of this user. Dashboard messages are in various nature and it could be an automated message from the system. Or it can be a message from other user. Or it can be some alerts for your information. Or it can be an approval message. As you know, the system is equipped with electronic approval system between the users. When you are selecting a message, it will show you the details and the downside for your information. If the message is related to the document entries which entered by the users, you can double-click on it to open it. Or if the message is for approval, it will list you the documents for you to select for approval. Some messages are for information and you cannot drill down for details. If you want to send a message to another user, you can click on Composer to create a message. You can select the username here and type the subject and content of your message. Today's summary. This is a quick information panel where you can understand what happened today in your company. This section will show you the orders, invoices, cash inflows, cash outflows, list of post-dated checks you are holding, list of check payments you made today, list letter of credit you have opened for export, LC for imports, the bank facility status, what is your cash and bank position, etc. You can print all these information together to send or to report to your top management by clicking the Print All button. Management Information System. This is a graphical presentation of your information. This is a simple module where you can analyze any of your revenue or expense account heads in various dimensions. For example, you can select any of your expense head here and can select project here and periods here to see the expenses between projects during this period. The parameters here you can use in different combinations to get various levels of information. For example, if I want to see the expenses of a selected project, in month-wise, I can select this option. You can also change the type of the chart by selecting the options here. Here in the downside, we can see the amount allocated in different jobs here. This MIS section having another part called Fund Flow. In this section, you can easily monitor your fund flow graphically. Here you can select the period that you want to see your fund flow and click on Refresh Data. This will also consider all your payment and receipts during this period along with the post-dated checks you received and paid in the meantime. This module also facilitates you to enter the expected payments and receipts in the coming months to see how that will impact your fund flow. One more small section in the homepage is Execute Command or Expresión. This section will allow you give shortcut to open a document. For example, if I am entering RCPT and press enter, it will open receipt voucher. You can type help tran here to see the shortcuts of the documents and reports.